I listen to many kinds of music from piano to heavy rock, and I can bravely say that these earbuds have desirable quality and well-balanced bass and treble waves. Here's the Zeblaze Zepods wireless earphones that I choose for review. And as always, I will put the link in the description below, so click that link to see the most updated price in real time. This is Hans, welcome everyone. The first thing you will notice, Zeblaze Zepods have slanted silicone ear tip, like the most other truly wireless earphones. These tips going into the ear canal, you might like that or not. I know for some that might be uncomfortable, but the earbuds sit inside the ear canal and they very comfortable. They stay in really well, and for those who running while they rain, the IPX5 rated earbuds able to take a splash of water. With my testing all over these things on the video, as you can see, here the Zepods holding up perfectly fine. Now, getting a closer look, functions and features include a single tap to pause or play or answer reject the phone call. There's a double tap to skip the music, triple tap on the right one to volume down and the left one to volume up. Once you pair the earbuds with your smartphone, it will be always connected to your phone as soon as you take out the earbuds from the charger. Truly wireless earphones featuring Bluetooth 5.0. Now with my Android phone, Bluetooth 4.0, I'm achieving only 70 to 80% of 50 feet distance. Also, the Zepods earphones featuring a microphone on each bud. They work extremely well as a stereo headset for making calls. Zepods claiming 3 hours per use with 18 additional hours charging case, and with my test playing the playlist on 60% volume, I'm achieved around 4 hours, which is really good. Another good thing, I can see how much power left on a smartphone Bluetooth icon. But there is one downside I've noticed during the test with 20% power left. I'm receiving the voice notifications that I should charge the earbuds. As for the charging, 500 mAh case, I like how rotary this thing is here, magnetic charging pins and Type-C port. It's super cool and convenient. I like the sound quality. I like the rotary charging case. It's an acceptable price. Useful tap functions. I like the way how fast this thing is connecting to my phone. The only thing that I didn't like it's a voice reminder that I have to charge the earbuds with 20% power left. But I have a good news. I have a special coupon code. You can buy the earbuds for $20 instead of the original price $40. But only first 20% can use the special coupon code. 2020. Happy New Year. I wish you all the best. And that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will answer all of them. Please support me with your likes, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next time. Peace.